Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reorder Paragraph Real Exam Question Series. This is 31st video in this series. It means we have already discussed 30 highly repetitive and real exam occurring reorder paragraphs. And reorder paragraphs are important, especially अगर आपका target score 79 plus है or you are looking to even score 65 plus. So let's get started. First things first, now PTE is accepted in UK for your study visa, work visa, right? So if you want to study, work or settle in UK, you can do it with PTE, and 90% of Canadian universities now accept PTE academic, and there is a new test which is PTE home. It is accepted for family visa for UK. My name is Bhrat Brij and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PTE. Now you can also score. So many students of ours have also scored using the same hacks, tips and strategies which we teach over here in this video series, and you can score the same score. So that's why do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. सो पीटी रीडिंग एक इंटीग्रेटेड सेक्शन होता है जहाँ पे टाइम मैनेजमेंट आपको खुद करनी होती है. द टाइम ऑफ द सेक्शन इज 32 to 41 minutes. Now students think that PTE reading is scored out of 90. The answer is no. जो reading module है that is just of 47 marks and it has 5 question type and reorder paragraphs are third question in this series. So this is the real PTE reading scoring. If you see, the reading contributes just 47 marks and out of those 6 marks are contributed from reorder paragraphs. So it means that अगर आपके 3 reorder paragraphs आ रहे हैं and if those are of 2 marks each, so total आपके 6 marks इस तरह से बनते हैं. Now the question is how to attempt reorder paragraphs. What is the strategy? The maximum time you can spend on solving one reorder paragraph is close to 2 minutes. You cannot spend more than 2 minutes. And in 2 minutes, first you have to skim the paragraph, then you have to read it, then you have to make pairs. Your focus should be on pairs because reorder paragraphs की scoring pairs में होती है. And then you have to confirm जो आपने pairs बनाए हैं वो सही हैं या नहीं हैं. So this is today's reorder paragraph, and as usual I'm going to give you 30 seconds to skim through this and then we will start solving it. Okay, so you know that. Now we have to skim it. We skim it for which purpose? Do we skim it to know the gist किस बारे में है? And then we try to find independent line from skimming कि कौन सी line independent हो सकती है. These all strategies we tell in detail to our students who take in institute or online coaching. And then we try to find the conclusion line also. So up let's see. Which of these will be independent line? The children in that neighborhood were her primary source of language input. That neighborhood means that neighborhood already defined ho chuka hoga. So what we are going to use is we are going to use process of elimination. I call it as best friend forever. In this we eliminate the wrong options until we find the right answer. So that's why this cannot be your independent line. The data to be reported here from a longitudinal study of the untutored acquisition of English as a second language by a 5-year-old Japanese girl whom we shall call Ugisu Nightingale in Japanese. अब कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को लगता है सर यहाँ पे हेयर यूज़ हो गया, जैसे यहाँ पे दैट यूज़ हो रहा है तो इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन नहीं है. हेयर यूज़ हो गया, द डेटा की बात हो रही है, डेटा ऑलरेडी डिफाइंड है या नहीं, तो क्या ये इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन हो सकती है, ये नहीं हो सकती. We are going to see that. Let's move on to the next one. Ugisu. Ugisu also attended public kindergarten for 2 hours every day and later elementary school, but with no tutoring in English syntax. Okay. So if you have gone through our lectures, if you have attended our lectures, then you know that कि उगीसु पहले define होगी, यहाँ पे वो define हो रही है, so this cannot be an independent line, so that's why we are not going to take it. But over here, I want to tell you two grammar rules, important grammar rules, which will help you in writing and listening. So first of all, if you see 5-year-old is used as a hyphen, right? 5-year-old, because this is being an adjective of Japanese girl, right? So Japanese girl का adjective है, and यहाँ पे 5-year-old with hyphens, because you know that this is a rule which we teach to our students in our grammar course, that if there are more than one adjectives, so you are going to combine those words with a hyphen. And second, everyday. What is the difference between everyday as a two words or everyday as a single word, right? This is, let's say, single word, one word, and these are two words. Though we have a detailed video and you can search on our channel difference between everyday and everyday, but just to give you an idea, जो ये everyday है, one word है, this is being used as adjective, and everyday where it's two words, normal usage के लिए होता है, okay? So यहाँ पे उगीसु also की बात हो रही है, so also तो हो ही नहीं सकता, उगीसु already introduce भी नहीं हुई है, तो this cannot be a independent line. Her family pronoun use हो रहा है, किसकी family वैसे by the way, उगीसु की family came to the United States for a period of 2 years while her father was a visiting scholar at Harvard, and they took residence in North Cambridge, a working class neighborhood. Again, you see working class में आपका hyphen use हो रहा है. The same grammar rule. See, these are little things which can be of huge importance, especially if you are looking to target or if you are looking to score 79 plus or even 65 plus. You need to know these rules, and we teach these rules to our students in detail. So her family, अब हमारी ये भी इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन नहीं हो सकती है, ओके? सो नाउ लेट्स सी हमारे पास अब कौन सी इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन, अब देखिए क्लियर रूल्स के थ्रू ये हर फैमिली प्रोनाउन यूज हो रहा है, नहीं हो सकती, युगीसु इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं हुआ है, नहीं हो सकती, दैट नेबरहुड हो रहा है, नहीं हो सकते. So we are just left with this one line which will be our independent line in this context. चाहे the data बात हो रही है, here की बात हो रही है, बट इसमें हमारा जो मेन सब्जेक्ट है उगीसु इंट्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, राइट? So that's why it's going to be an independent line. I hope this was clear. So we have chosen the independent line. Now we have to work either in pairs or we have to find the second line, right? So अब आपने उगीसु की बात कर दी है, you are saying that उसकी second language acquisition उसने की इंग्लिश की. अब यहाँ पे the children in that neighborhood. That neighborhood क्या इस लाइन में कहीं पे भी इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है, नहीं हुआ. Depending on our SO strategy, which is subject object strategy, subject of one line becomes the object of second line. Based on that, you can see that हमारा कहीं पे भी ये subject अभी तक introduce नहीं हुआ है neighborhood. So इसीलिए we are not going to consider this line as if now. Urgisu also attended. अब also attended मतलब वो already कुछ पहले कर चुकी होगी, right? यहाँ पे जो अभी हमारी फर्स्ट लाइन है, क्या हम यहाँ पे कोई बात कर रहे हैं उर्गिसु के कुछ करने से रिलेटेड? द आंसर इज नो. बट लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट लाइन. Her family came to the United States. अब her family pronoun यूज हो रहा है, उर्गिसु के लिए यूज हो रहा है. So depending upon our SO strategy, it will make sense. For her family came to United States for a period of 2 years while her father was a visiting scholar at Harvard, and they took residence in North Cambridge, a working class neighborhood. Okay, right? Yes, it makes sense because आप जनरली इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हो कि आपने पहले एक डेटा स्टडी किया उस एक गर्ल के बारे में जिसका नाम युगीसु है. युगीसु की फैमिली 2 इयर्स के लिए आई वहां पे. अब आप देखिए यहाँ पे नेबरहुड इंट्रोड्यूस हो चुका है, राइट? सो अब आपको पता है नेबरहुड और दैट नेबरहुड डिपेंडिंग अपॉन आर, अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट SO strategy, these will be your pair, right? So this is going to come after this one. Now only thing left is आपको इसकी adjustment देखनी है. Ugisu also attended. अब उसने कुछ अटेंड किया पब्लिक किंडरगार्टन. उससे पहले क्या हुआ, चिल्ड्रन के साथ उसने इंटरेक्ट किया जो उसका प्राइमरी सोर्स ऑफ second language input था. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to select this line. As we decided, her family came to the United States for a period of 2 years where her father was a visiting scholar and they took residence in a neighborhood. अब neighborhood और अब आपको पता है neighborhood आपका direct यहाँ पे pair बनेगा. That children in that neighborhood were her primary source of language input. अब वैसे भी ये लास्ट लाइन आपकी लेफ्ट है, सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी ओवर हियर इन द लास्ट. बट अगर आप यहाँ पे देखिए, उगिसु ऑल्सो अटेंडेड पब्लिक किंडरगार्टन. ऑल्सो मीन्स एक एक्टिविटी ऑलरेडी हो चुकी होगी. एक्टिविटी क्या? जो वो चिल्ड्रन उसके प्राइमरी सोर्स ऑफ लैंग्वेज इनपुट थे. ओके, so that's why it's going to be here. अब यहाँ पे the last line is because यहाँ पे आप इंग्लिश की एक्विजिशन की बात कर रहे हो एंड यहाँ पे बात हो रही है कि उसको कोई फॉर्मल ट्यूटरिंग इंग्लिश सिंटेक्स में नहीं मिली. ऑल्सो के कारण यहाँ पे ये लास्ट में आएगा. आई होप दिस वॉज क्लियर. So this is our correct reorder paragraph. Let's see if the answer is right. Yes, all the answers are correct. So what is our reorder paragraph strategy? Our reorder paragraph strategy consider Marvel PTE's strategies as the center. We provide 360-degree complete solution. So first we have to look for independent line. You had seen we had used process of elimination for finding independent lines. Then BS strategy, which is broad to specific strategy. Then CO strategy, chronological order strategy. कनेक्टर्स के थ्रू भी हम पेयर्स फाइंड आउट करते हैं. TO रूल, टॉपिक ऑर्डर रूल, AB रूल, एब्रीवेशन रूल. SO strategy, you had seen implementation of SO strategy in today's reorder paragraph, and then there are certain rules for finding last sentence. So all these strategies we combine, we teach them in detail to our students so that they can also solve reorder paragraphs within the time frame of 2 minutes. So in 2 minutes, what you have to do in first 30 to 60 seconds, you have to skim the content, you have to find independent line using process of elimination, and you need to find the conclusion line also. And in next 30 to 60 seconds, you have to look for clues using pointers, or you can use process of elimination. All the strategies which we teach are validated and proven strategies. What's the proof? The proof is in the ticker below of students who have achieved their target score, and these are some of our recent success stories. If these students can also score 90 overall, if they can score, you can also score with our strategies. This is our WhatsApp number 8699121121. You can WhatsApp us if you have any questions or doubts, or if you want to take online coaching or in-institute coaching. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.